In order to identify and realize energy-saving potentials, energy data must first be recorded reliably. WAGO's energy data management application makes this possible. Consumption data from various forms such as gas, electricity, and water can be recorded easily. Our hardware and software offerings cover all relevant process steps. That means from the measuring, recording, and converting to the processing on a controller and on the cloud. We are ISO 50001 conform and BAFA listed, which are important criteria for funding.